Welcome to the Research Development Institute here at the University of South Florida. We are offering the Summer Grant Writing Workshops again this year. What we want to do is help you diversify your funding portfolio and prepare the writing skills that you'll need no matter what sponsor you're applying to. And through that, we have an 8-week plan. An 8-week plan designed on NSF's 120-hour rule. This rule is time-tested, and we want to help you use what we know through evidence-based research and practice of over 30 years to advance your skills.
The grant writing workshops are not just about the University of South Florida. We get participation from all over the United States and beyond. Last year we had 43 unique institutions participate, and over the last 5 years we've had a total of 168.
We are really excited about this year's Summer Grant Writing Workshops program. Hope you join us. Go Bulls!
Go Bulls!